Meaning of forcemeat.
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 Forcemeat. Forcemeat is a culinary term that refers to a mixture of ground or pureed meats, usually combined with other ingredients such as herbs, spices, and vegetables. It is often used as a filling for dishes like meat pies, sausages, and pâtés. The resulting mixture is typically savory, moist, and flavorful, with a smooth texture that is easy to shape and mold. Overall, forcemeat adds depth and complexity to dishes while also serving as a convenient way to use up leftover meats and ingredients.